ಆಚಿ ಮಸಾಲ.
ಎಂತ ಅಡಿಗೆಯ ರುಚಿಯಾಗೋ ರಹಸ್ಯವು 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ.
I just gave love. That's all she said. And I was amazed at this woman and the kind of, the way, the kind of deep sensitivity that she has towards each and every actor that she's worked with. She just owns them. I think everyone's going to agree with me, Rukmani, Huma, everyone. That's why Huma said, I love you. Because that's the kind of love that she gives to all of us. You are amazing, Geetu. There's so much more to say, but I'm not going to take a lot of time. Yeah, we all just love you. Okay, I think I've spoken about everyone. Rocky Bhai. So, the first time I met Yash, and trust me, I've worked with a lot of superstars. I've worked with a lot of actors. Everyone's big, everyone's cool. They're really good. That's why they are superstars. But with Yash, when I met him the first time, the kind of larger than life image that he actually has, that's how he is in person also. I was like, oh, okay, am I actually entering this Rocky Bhai's kingdom or something? You know, it's like how you see it in the trailer, no? He's like that in real, actually. But beyond that, I think everyone's spoken about the work ethics that he has. But let me tell you, I have never, ever, ever seen a more hardworking actor than this. Oh my God. Like every single day on set, I'm just amazed at the way he works. This man has given his 4 years, 3 years? How many years? 4? Oh, 4.5 years of his life. And trust me when I tell you, his life, he has literally sacrificed his life, his time with his family, his time with his kids, his personal life, everything that he would enjoy when he's a normal human being, you know. Otherwise, he's just this monster mind creations. That's exactly what he is. I mean, he's just about work, and he just focuses on the work. He's only bothered about how the script is progressing, how the shoot is progressing, how every actor is comfortable, every actor is doing their best, giving their best performances. He's into everything. And the way you took care of Geetu, the way you took care of your director, I've never seen an actor do that. I know you are also a co-producer in the film, but I've never seen a co-producer also do that. I've never seen a producer do that. So there's so much of love and respect for you, Rush, because for the actor you are, for the producer you are, for the human being you are, so honest, for the husband he is, for the family man he is, for the father you are, you know. I have just huge respect for you. And you are where you are today because of the incredible hard work that you have done, that you have been doing. And this is a special mention to Radhika. I feel everyone just talks about all the main cast crew. When a film becomes a blockbuster, everyone's talking about how hardworking everyone's been and how dedicated everyone's been. But no one talks about the family, their sacrifices. This woman right here with Yash, I feel is his biggest strength. The way this woman has sacrificed her time with her husband for the vision that he believes in is just amazing. I have so much of respect for you, and then a lot of love for you. I think I have spoken a lot today. Oh my God. Okay, do you have more? Yeah, right? What do you mean? Oh, that's why maybe I don't attend functions. Okay, do you have any more questions for me?
No, ma'am, it was brilliant. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. I think I just got a little emotional. But thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. Now I think I should just leave. And thank you, guys. Thank you so much for coming. I'm sure you guys loved the trailer and you're going to love the film. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.